Check this new class out. Learn about the design and construction of robots. Build a BattleBot and compete with other students in your school or in other schools. Program a robot to perform a job or successfully complete an obstacle course. This robotics class will include techniques using pneumatics, hydraulics, electronics, and mechanical designs.
We get into a lot of different robotics construction with the Legos, and also a program that we actually build the BattleBots with them, and it's very exciting for the students. I've got students wanting to break down the door trying to get into it just from talking about it a little bit. As I said, it's a new class here and we have it.
Technology is expanding at alarming rates. You can enroll in an exciting class and allow yourself to experience technology firsthand. Learning about robotics design will bring you to a better understanding of technology, physics, and mathematics, as well as how they can be applied.